In this video, we are going to learn about printers. Printers allow the ability to print copies of documents or photos onto a paper from a computer. There are several types of printers, but the common type used at homes and businesses is inkjet or laserjet printers. There are rarely used printers such as dotmatrix and thermal printers. First, inkjet printers, the most common printers that are used in home, which are more affordable and they produce good quality results, and they are enough to needs of typical home users. This printer works by using print head moves back and forth across the paper while printing. During this process, print head places ink on a paper in very tiny dots. These tiny dots are similar in diameter than the human hair. As these dots precisely placed that forms image on a paper. Inside the inkjet, we have ink, heating element, and a nozzle. When a heating element receives charge of electricity and it heats up, and as it heats up, it forms a bubble in the ink, and as the bubble expands, it squeezes ink through the nozzle on a paper, and this cycle is repeated until the print job is completed. This type of technique is called thermal bubble technology, used in HP and Canon printers. It uses liquid ink in cartridges. In some lower end printers, the cartridges comes with two cartridges, one for black and another for colors. But in higher end printers, it comes with four like black, cyan, magenta and yellow. Next comes the laser printer, which is different sizes, smaller for personal and larger for business, which provides highest quality for print, text and graphics, and they are all more expensive than inkjet. First, it works on electric charges is placed on rotating drum, and laser discharges a lower electricity charges on the drum, so that the laser draws the image that is going to be printed on a drum itself. Then drum is coated with fine black powder known as toner. Once toner is coated, the toner only clings to the area where the laser has drawn, and then the paper goes through the drum and toner placed on the paper, and the result is high quality print. Next one is the thermal printer. This printer prints by using heat. It uses special paper called thermal paper, and on this paper there will be wax based ink, and when heat is applied it turns black. This printer does the heat only to the area the ink should be printed, and after once ink is cooled, the print will be permanent. These printers are used for label and barcode. Next one is the dot matrix printer. These printers are rarely in use nowadays. They produce in old technology, mediocre print quality, and also very noisy. It is an impact printer. The head moves across the paper, and the pin on the print head strike against a cloth in a ribbon format that comes in direct contact with the paper, produces characters in the form of dots. The advantage was it can print multi-copy documents such as carbon copies, and it is very durable and lasts a long